Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a wise and benevolent king. This king had a beautiful parrot as his pet, which was known for its ability to speak and understand human language. The parrot had vibrant plumage and possessed great intelligence. The king and the parrot shared a special bond. They would spend hours conversing with each other, discussing various topics, ranging from politics to philosophy. The king valued the parrot's opinions and considered it to be his most trusted advisor. One day, news arrived at the kingdom that a neighboring kingdom was planning an invasion. The king grew anxious and called his advisors to discuss the matter. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.